Hey guys, welcome back. Today's tutorial is on this look. It's my go-to look. You know I love rocking long wavy curls. Spring is right around the corner and I wanted to show you guys how you can get these types of curls with a straightener. Something a little bit different, but it just gives a lot of versatility to the look. I do want to say a huge thank you to Numi for partnering with me on this video, and if you want to learn how I did this hairstyle with a straightener, then just keep on watching. So the tool I'm using today is the Numi Technique hair straightener. Again, love the mint green color. Also does come in white and gray. This hair straightener smooths your hair cuticles and leaves your hair feeling soft and silky while getting rid of frizz. You'll notice when I start curling my hair that it delivers gentle, even heat and also adds shine to your hair. So I'm starting today with freshly blow-dried hair, and I'm just going to put half of it up so that we can work in sections. So using the Technique straightener, I'm just going to smooth out the top part of my hair. The great thing about using a straightener as a styling tool is that you get a couple different looks out of it. You can obviously just like run it through your hair and have nice straight silky hair, but I am going to show you how to curl it today using the straightener. So starting at the very top, I'm going to switch sides here. So starting at the very top right here, I'm going to grab the piece of hair, twist it once all the way around, and then pull it down. And just like that, it is super easy to do. I do find whenever I use a straightener, you get a little bit of a tighter curl and it lasts a lot longer just because the heat is evenly distributed throughout the hair. So it gets all of it and it just makes sure the style lasts as long as possible. I'm gonna get my little baby hairs here. So just starting at the top, flipping it once and dragging it down. So moving on to the next piece of hair, starting at the top again, flipping it all the way around and dragging it down. Once I'm done with the curls, I'm just going to put it to the back so that we don't recurl them. So I'm going to keep on doing this, making sure the curls are all going away from my face, but feel free to mix up the direction. Just to hear your voice on the machine. Nothing will be like it was, but you will always be my first choice, just as it seems. So this side is all curled. All of my hair feels so silky and smooth and frizz-free. We're going to do the same thing on this side, but I am going to wait to brush out this side just because I want the heat to hold the curl as long as possible. Okay, this section is all curled. I'm just going to take a brush and smooth out the curls so they all blend so that it's more of a wave rather than a beachy curl. Okay, putting that section in the back, we're going to move on to the last section, which is at the top here. Again, splitting it in half and bringing it forward. I'm going to do a quick little brush through so there's no tangles. Starting at the top of the piece, flipping it all the way around and then dragging it down. Perfect curl, and then put it to the back and just continue doing that. Honestly, I find using a straightener so much faster at curling your hair just because it gets all of your hair. It makes it super easy. So if you have a hard time curling your hair with other styling tools, try a straightener because I think you'll find it a lot easier. Now when it comes to the very front section where my bangs are, I don't like to curl it too tight just because I don't find it frames my face. So I'm just going to take the piece and lightly flip it halfway and drag it down. And this way it has a little bit of a wave. It can go into the other curls, but it's a little bit straighter and sleeker, and I just think it frames the face nicer. So again, this side is done. It's super easy, super fast. Moving on to this side.
The sun is up, the clouds are gone, but I'm still here with wounds on my feet. Where will you be?
Okay, taking my hairbrush and again smoothing out all of the curls just so they blend really nicely together, and oh, I just love the final result. It's so pretty and silky and shiny. Oh, I honestly love it so much, and I feel like I can rock this hairstyle for a couple of days just because it holds so well and it just creates such a perfect base for other hairstyles. Okay, lastly, just to finish off the look, I'm taking the Numi Gloss Serum and I'm just going to take a couple of pumps. And this is going to add even more shine, and it's just going to make your hair feel even silkier and softer. So I'm concentrating it more on the ends of my hair and around my face. So that's it for this tutorial. You guys know that this hairstyle is like my go-to, my comfort blanket. I just feel very confident whenever I wear it, and it's so easy to do, lasts forever. Give it a go. Don't forget to check the description box for the links and also my code L to get 20% off the entire Numi website. I hope you guys all have an incredible day, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.